Our world is filled with so many mind-blowing, amazing and interesting facts. These facts can make anyone say wow. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sam's Info TV. Today I have a number of surprising random facts. If you are new to my channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to it. Number 1, there are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the known universe. Number 2, Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing than to the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Number 3, it can take a photon 40,000 years to travel from the core of the sun to the surface, but only 8 minutes to travel the rest of the way to Earth. Number 4, it would take 1,200,000 mosquitoes, each sucking once, to completely drain the average human of blood. Number 5, basically anything that melts can be made into glass. You just have to cool off a molten material before its molecules have time to realign into what they were before being melted. Number 6, a small percentage of the static you see on dead TV stations is leftover radiation from the Big Bang. You're seeing residual effects of the universe's creation. Number 7, written language was invented independently by the Egyptians, Sumerians, Chinese, and Mayans. Number 8, if you were to remove all of the empty space from the atoms that make up every human on Earth, the entire world population could fit into an apple. Number 9, honey does not spoil. You could feasibly eat 3,000-year-old honey. Number 10, if you somehow found a way to extract all of the gold from the bubbling core of our lovely little planet, you would be able to cover all of the land in a layer of gold up to your knees. Number 11, the entire population of Central Europe during the Stone Age could have fit on a cruise ship. Number 12, no one knows how William Shakespeare's name was really spelled, and neither did he. Number 13, when the FIFA World Cup trophy was stolen in 1966, it was found by a dog named Pickles. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it and comment. Also subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.